In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar links on this Audi S4. These are going to be located in the rear suspension. Let's get into it. In the trunk, you need to lift up on this cover right here. There's a little handle that will hold that out of the way. On the left side of the spare tire, you're going to grab this toolbox. If you lift the handle, then you can pull it up. Open this up. It's just a couple levers. And then you're looking for this key. Grab this key. Remove the center cap, take that key. There's a hole right there. Just go in the hole, pull that off. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel, prevent it from falling. Then grab the wheel and pull it off. Now using a 18mm wrench on the stud side of the link, then a 16mm socket. I'm going to take the nut off. Right there. Take this bolt out and separate the link from the bar. Using a 13mm socket, take these two bolts out. Grab the link and pull it through. Take the new link, slide it through the control arm. I'm going to have to twist it back and forth. Get that through the bar, and I'll get the bolt started. And before we tighten that down, we're going to put the other two bolts in underneath. Tighten these down. And torque these to 25 foot-pounds. And tighten this bolt up top. And we'll torque that to 45 foot-pounds. That's good. Now install the wheel. Line that up with the holes. Get the lug bolt started. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. And the center cap, you flip it over. There's a picture of a valve stem. You want to line that up with the valve stem. Lock it down in place. After you're done, take the key, close up the toolbox, slide it in place, push down the handle, take the cover off, and push it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.